Hi guys, welcome to Techie Fan of India. As we can see here, it is the local variable we are going to study in this. A we have taken as a variable. Inside we have mentioned the superb, and this is the variable has taken this value as a superb in string, and then we are going to def character as the function. My function will mention here my function. Inside we have mentioned the function constructor or uh, invasive value nothing, and then if my function is created and the colon after the function colon is there, then next line is print double inverted comma. We can mention here uh, we can mention here Python. Inside we are mentioning the Python is double inverted comma is closed plus a. That will take like Python is super. In this way we can see the Python will super. Now the next line, and we are mentioning the new function. Function name is yeah. We'll take the function as my function, and double quotes are closed. Then after that this is closed. Then next time my function next brace is closed. We have called this twice. Once we'll run it, then we'll see the output. What is the output will come, that will show as the output. So after this value as Python is print Python is and double inverted comma close, then plus a will take from the local variable is super, will take it by is running once, then we are getting the repeated twice output is Python is super, thus local variable is used. And what is local variable and what is global variable? Local variable are accessible within the code, okay, and using the function you can the number of time will paste the same line. My function in braces, my function braces will write the multiple times. The number of time will call the function will write the that times the same code. Python is super, Python is super, Python is super, Python is super. So this is our output here that we are getting, and then very next we are going to the next way, and we are my function we have already done. We got the output also. Python is super, and the number of time we have printed it, we just means called it, we have just selected and commented it. Then we are going to the my function, and braces is closed, and then after we are printing the value, print and braces my in braces we are going to write Python and Python is double inverted comma is closed plus a. So Python is plus a. We are going running the codes once. One function is there, and second is Python is plus a. Then also we are seeing the same code is run twice here. Python is super, Python is super. We have seen here. So it's within the function we have used the particular declaration of value it is accessible within the code using the function. So we have seen this successfully. So for now we can see the Python is then plus a is shown here. That's all for today.